Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy YouTube channel. Many people have asked if it's possible to use silver clay to make jewelry with special, meaningful stones, especially if you don't have traditional metalsmithing skills. The good news is, yes, you can. But since many stones cannot withstand high temperatures, today we'll introduce the simplest beginner-friendly method to set stones and create a beautiful bezel set ring. First, choose a stone of a suitable size. Shape the silver clay into an oval. Apply some mold release onto the stone. Then gently press it into the silver clay, making sure it sits slightly above the bezel edge. Allow the clay to dry until it reaches a leather-hard, semi-dry stage. Then smooth the surface with fine sandpaper. When the clay is about 80% dry, gently remove the stone using crafting tools. Next, mix stone setting powder and stone setting paste in a 2:1 ratio to create a thick, smooth mixture. Fill the cavity with this paste. Pressing it firmly against the edges to prevent shrinkage after firing. Smooth the surface, and avoid letting the paste overflow beyond the bezel. Next, to make the silver ring, wrap a ceramic ring core with a layer of isolation paper, followed by a layer of sizing paper. Roll the silver clay into a ball, then shape it into a strip about 7 centimeters long. Lightly brush water or a small amount of oil, such as olive oil, onto the sizing paper. Then carefully wrap the silver clay strip around the ceramic core. If the strip is too long, overlap the ends, cut diagonally with a craft knife, remove any excess, and join the ends with water. Use a carving tool to smooth the seam. Dry to the leather-hard stage. Check for any gaps at the inner seam and fill them with a little silver clay if needed. Then smooth all edges and surfaces with fine sandpaper. Let it dry fully naturally or speed up drying with a mug warmer. Then, use silver clay paste to attach the bezel to the ring band. Once completely dry, it's ready for firing. This time, we used a kiln firing at 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. If you're using a gas stove, please refer to the gemstone ring tutorial for detailed firing instructions. We recommend keeping the stone setting paste layer thin to ensure it centers fully during firing, and avoid direct flame contact on the center of the paste to prevent cracking. After firing, carefully remove the ring and clean off the stone setting paste with water. Use a steel brush to remove the white oxidized layer formed during firing, which will leave the surface shiny and clean. Because silver clay shrinks during firing, you'll need to do some light sanding to adjust the bezel for a perfect fit. Finally, use a strong, clear adhesive such as B7000 or E6000, suitable for jewelry and crafts, to glue the stone back onto the ring. Let it sit for a full day to allow the glue to dry completely, and just like that, you've created a beautiful bezel set ring. Here are some helpful tips for the best results. First, remove the stone while the clay is still leather hard. If it's too dry, the clay may crack. Second, press the edges firmly to prevent shrinkage or sinking after firing. Third, make sure the stone setting paste is completely dry before firing. Fourth, keep the gas stove flame steady to avoid cracks or poor sintering caused by uneven heating. If you want to try silver clay jewelry making, check out our Pure Silver Joy Etsy shop to get our beginner kit set. which contains all the basic tools you need to start your silver clay journey easily. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more silver clay tutorials from Pure Silver Joy Workshop. We'd love to hear about your experiences or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!